people have always asked us why is a bank going into a science and technology area? We have recognized that science and technology plays a very critical role in the country's development, and we believe that we need to support this area if we want the country to really develop and progress. So we went into science and technology basically to help students develop the discipline, develop the approach to developing good projects in science and technology. So it's basically a commitment to help the country, actually.
A commitment.
And we just said that science and technology is a critical component of the country's development.
It's quite a commitment. You've been doing this for 19 years.
For 19 years. Although we have not actually expanded too much the number of schools participating, we're still at about 10 schools participating. Hopefully in the future, if we get more financial support from the bank, we can probably expand it to include more universities and colleges to really expand the benefits from this program.
What do you think of the current crop of students that you've had?
Our tie-up with the DOST in the last 4 years have provided us with the opportunity to really improve the quality of projects, and we've seen that in today's presentations. There were 3 biotechnology projects. In the past, we didn't get those kind of projects, and the applications that will probably be used by these projects are very promising. Medical field, agriculture, so very, very helpful to the country's development.
In the past, have you ever hired any one of your winners?
We did hire, but we are not actively recruiting them, mainly because we don't want to deprive the country of future scientists.
No, okay.
While we can...
Don't want to turn them into bankers.
Not exactly. If they want to apply, we can absorb them, and we have actually a few of them. Some have already reached manager, senior manager level, but we are not actively recruiting them into the bank because we believe that they have better potentials as future scientists.
Thank you very much, sir.
Okay, thank you.